Hello scholars, welcome back to the channel. What we're looking at today, we're looking at number phrases. So we're actually writing phrases in algebraic terms, right? So we're told what the operation is, and we're using letters to represent unknown quantities, and we're expressing it in algebraic terms. So we know words like sum, total, they mean we add, difference mean we subtract, product means we multiply, and so on. So we're just going to follow what the phrase is telling us to do, right? The sum of x and 25, so that will be x plus 25. That is our number phrase. Y is added to 90. So y is added to 90. X is increased by 42. To increase means you're adding to it. So x is increased by 42. 17 more than w. Again, more than means we're adding. So 17 more than w. Or we could say w plus 17. Remember, addition is commutative, it doesn't matter which one you do first. P is decreased by 11. Decreased means it's getting less. So P is decreased by 11. 19 subtracted from x. So we're taking this from this. So it's x take away 19. 5 less than b. Less than mean we subtract. So 5 less than b. The product of r and 16. Product means we multiply. So that would be 16 times r, or we could just write it as 16r. 16r means 16 times r. The product of 16 and r. X is multiplied by 11. Multiply also same as product. So it's x times 11 or 11x. Let's put the or. P is divided by 4. So P divided by 4. Or we could write it as P divided by 4. Same thing, whichever way you want to put it. 2/3 of x. So 2/3 x. 2/3 of whatever x is. Half of w. So when we're finding a half of something, we're dividing it by 2. So half of w would be w divided by 2, or we could write it as w divided by 2 this way. Half of w, w divided by 2, w over 2, same thing. Twice x. Twice means 2 times. So that would be 2 times x or 2x. 2 times x, twice x means 2x. Thrice. Thrice means 3 times. So thrice y plus 14. 3 times y plus 4. Thrice y plus 4. Twice. Twice means 2 times. So twice x minus 8. Twice x, 2x minus 8. 28 is reduced by c. To reduce means to get less, to subtract, to take away. So 28 is reduced by c. 28 minus c. The sum of 16 and p. Sum means we add. So the sum of 16 and p. 16 plus p. Alright, so let's go. The difference of x and y. Difference means we subtract. So that will be x subtract y. X minus y. The product of x and y Product means we multiply, so that's x times y, or we can just write xy. The product of x and y, xy. D is decreased by 14. Decrease means get less. D is decreased by 14. So D subtract 14. 13 more than G. More than means it's getting more, you're adding. 13 more than G. So we could say 13 plus G or G plus 13. Addition is commutative. It doesn't matter which you start with, you'll get the same result. X is doubled. To double something means to multiply it by 2. So that would be 2 times x or 2x. So we've seen that one before. Y is tripled. To triple something means what? To multiply it by 3. So that's 3 times y or 3y. 2 times x plus 4 times y. 2 times x plus 4 times y. So that's 2x plus 4y. Right? So those are our number phrases. So we simply were following the instruction that we're given. If we're asked to find the sum, the total, combine, increase, more than, we knew that we needed to add. If we're asked to find the difference, minus, or we're told that something is decreasing by an amount, it's getting less by an amount, it's being reduced by an amount, then we know we're going to take away. And if we're asked to find the product, we multiply. If we're told that something is doubled or twice, that means we multiply by 2. Tripled or thrice, we multiply by 3. And if we're told that it is halved, something is being halved, that means we're dividing this time, dividing by 2. Alright, so those are the key words. 2/3, so that's a fraction. 2/3 of x, 2/3 times x. Right? So just follow what you're told to do. Remember those key words and you'll be good to go. And they're called phrases because they are not complete sentences. If we were told that they're equal to something, and we would have to put in the equal sign, equal to whatever, that would be like a complete sentence. So they'll be called number sentences or algebraic sentences. In this form now, they are just expressions or phrases. We're just expressing a quantity in relation to another quantity. What is being done to one thing, how is it acted upon by another quantity. So they're not equal to anything at this point. In the next video, we're going to actually be doing number sentences or algebraic sentences in which we're going to need to solve them. We're going to need to find the actual unknown value. Here we're just expressing the unknown in terms of variables, in terms of letters just being used to represent the unknown quantities, but we're not told what it's equal to. Right? So look out for that next video. We're going to be solving equations. These are expressions or phrases. Alright, so if you have been helped by this video, just drop a line to say thank you, miss. I'll appreciate it if you let me know that you appreciate my efforts. Right? And please share the video so other students can benefit from the information. And if you have not subscribed, now would be a great time for you to just click that subscribe button. Also click the bell so that you'll be notified when new videos come out as soon as they come out, so you stay on top of things and you get your practice in and you're introduced to new topics even way ahead of your class, right? So you want to stay sharp. And if you're looking for a particular topic, a video on a particular topic, and you're not finding it, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video on that topic for you. My scholars, my beloved scholars, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.